You know, I don't understand why those actresses in American movies have to be so thin.
They're not thin. They're slim and agile.
No. Thin is the word, bony is another word. They look so frail, as if they're going to break into two.
Oh, Bumi, shut up and stop talking like an illiterate. See their faults that you Nigerians cannot work out to stay fit and healthy.
Healthy? So you call this healthy? I'm bothered. You know, most of them are anorexic. The models are even the worst.
Excuse me?
Mm-hmm. Are you sure you're not anorexic?
Why would I be?
I don't know. You know, you may decide being a size 10 isn't trim and healthy enough for you.
Please, shut up. Eh? Beg.
May I shall say my own, no? I don't know why you're defending these sick people. As if you're...
Bumi, can I watch this movie, please? Eh? Thank you.
Go ahead. Please, do you know where the remote is?
To do what? Better don't change the station. No. Want to watch fat people, Abby?
Shadare isn't back.
Hi, Dad.
No, Dad. She said she'll be working late today.
All right. Oh, by the way, we have a guest coming in tomorrow.
A guest? Who?
A friend, Dele.
Who is he?
Dele is a she. She's based abroad, but she's been in Nigeria for the past few weeks. She was supposed to go back this week, but I managed to convince her to come over.
Wow. Aha! Now that's the main reason behind your excitement. Is she beautiful?
Are you two in love?
Nah, ladies. Dele is happily married with kids. Dele and I, we are past that stage. But I'm so excited she's coming over.
Great.
Dele.
Tayo, what are you doing? Does it look like... Come on, Tayo. Don't you think you're taking this workout thing a bit too seriously? Look, I'm a model. It's what's expected of me. Besides, that teeny Beku Laura girl has been getting all the jobs. If I can just be like her in like 3 weeks, do you know how many jobs I'd bag? Tayo, Laura is a size 6. Do you want to disappear? Dear, why do you think I'm working so hard? Don't even know exercise.
Morning, girls.
Morning, Dad.
Shadare, you promised to come back early today.
Yes, Dad.
No one makes grilled chicken like you do.
Aww. Thank you, Daddy. Don't worry, I promise I'll be back early today. Latest by 5 p.m. I should be back.
Good. Dele and I will be home for 6:30 p.m. or thereabout.
All right, Dad.
What's she doing?
She's working out a miracle. I must be asleep. What then? You know, I've always wondered if Daddy and Auntie Dele ever dated.
I think they did. You know, Dad is very excited about her coming.
Tayo, don't you have anything to say?
About what?
Daddy's guest, of course.
Nope.
What's eating her?
Her lack of weight loss. Do you know she hasn't eaten anything today?
What? Are you kidding me? Why not?
She wants to be a size 6.
Tayo, what has come over you? Have you gone nuts?
Nope, I haven't. Even my manager thinks I need to lose a few pounds.
A few pounds is fine. But trying to become a size 6 from a size 10, that is pure madness. I have to tell Dad about this.
Oh, Shaggy, please don't. See, you won't understand. You know what? All I just need to do is do my dieting, my routine, and then take my drugs and I'll be fine.
Hold on. Did you just say drugs? Tayo, drugs? You do drugs now? This has got to stop. Okay? I must tell Dad about this.
Okay, fine. I'll stop taking the drugs.
And you will not diet either.
But, fine. I'll stop dieting after today.
Sorry. You will eat dinner with us tonight. Okay? I mean real food. Not those leaves you've been eating like a goat. Not to lose weight.
Fine. As long as you don't tell Dad about it.
Tayo, look. You're beautiful the way you are. Just stop trying to be someone else. Just stop.
I hear you.
Tayo. She will not kill us in this household. Eh? One thing after the other. Now is dieting. With drugs. Please, who does that? Who takes drugs to lose weight?
I don't know.
What do you mean the agent picked Laura again? This is the 4th time this is happening. Don't say that. You know it's because she's slimmer than me, that's why. Okay, thanks.
I cooked spaghetti and pizza sauce. Do you want some?
Have you had something to eat already? No, I'm not hungry.
Tell you it's 3 p.m.
Femi, I will eat when I am hungry, okay?
You have anorexia nervosa.
I have nothing. Get out of my room.
You're sick. And I'm going to tell Dad about it.
Femi, wait. I hate the way you guys treat me like I'm retarded. I'm not a child. I don't have plans to hurt myself.
But you're scaring us all with this new behavior of yours.
See, I just want to lose a few pounds here and there. I'll stop very soon.
When?
Very soon now, I promise. Let me just be slim.
I'm watching you.
I have missed you so much.
I have missed you too. I forgot how comfortable conversation is with you.
But you know, I'm surprised. Why haven't you remarried?
I guess I haven't found the right person. Besides, my daughters are my companion.
I know. Still, there is only so much your daughters can be to you.
Yes. Now, tell me about your husband. You haven't made mention of him since you got here.
We are getting a divorce.
Divorce?
Yes. He cheats. He cheats.
I'm sorry.
It's fine.
Daddy, I want to tell you something. I'm sorry.
Yes, go ahead. You want to tell me something?
Yes, Dad, don't worry. I'm sorry for interrupting. Please proceed, Dad.
Did she say proceed?
I believe she did. I should have married you.
Where's that coming from?
He made me hate myself. He complained daily about my weight. I became sick. I almost died. And I never had to lose weight. It wasn't enough. He never accepted me the way that you did. And I ask myself, why? Why did he marry me? Why? Why?
So, Shadare, welcome.
Femi, what are you doing in my room? Is everything alright?
Wait now. I think Daddy and Aunt Daly are gonna have sex.
Excuse me?
I said, Daddy and Aunt Daly.
Please, shut up. Why can't you just mind your own business for once?
Is that all you're going to say?
Look, Femi, I am so exhausted. And all I want to do right now is sleep.
I just told you.
Bumi, that's enough. Now go to your room.
I call them kissing.
As in French?
I thought you weren't interested.
I'm not. Look, I knew from the onset that they both liked each other. And besides, they're both adults. If having sex is what they decide on.
They were not kissing. They were about to when I walked in.
Bumi, you are just too petty. Oh yeah, stand up. Go to your room now. Now.
No,
I said stand up. Go, go, go.
Let me just stay for a while.
Go, Bumi. I'm tired.
Good morning. Good morning. Hi. You're going jogging?
Yes, I am.
You look tired. Are you sure you should go jogging when you look this exhausted?
Yeah, why not? I'm sure. Bye.
Talk to me.
Dad, I know this is hardly my business, and I shouldn't try to make it mine, but I think we deserve to know if you have decided to marry Auntie Dele.
What?
Well, we have all seen the way that you guys have been for the past few days, so...
Really? Dele and I are just friends. And I have no intentions whatsoever.
Well, that's what you said. But you also said that she's married with kids. So, I'm just wondering, what's going on?
She's getting divorced.
Which still doesn't make it right, Dad. This is just not right.
I know. Her husband is a beast, from what she told me.
Exactly my point. Right now, she's very vulnerable, and she'll read meaning into everything you do for her. If you insist that you do not have any intentions, then I think you should be careful.
I understand what you mean. What am I supposed to do?
When is she leaving?
Tomorrow evening.
I think you should try not to be alone with her. For now. Maybe later when this whole divorce thing is over, if you two still find that, you like each other, there might still be a chance for you. Seriously, Dad, you do not want to be responsible for breaking up anybody's marriage. Okay? I hope you're not upset with me.
Why would I? That's why I have you. You remind me so much of your mother.
Oh, Daddy.
Are you okay?
Tayo, you look pale. Are you sure you're...
It is none of your business. You're not my mother. Stop acting like you are. What's going on?
I guess I crossed some lines. I noticed some symptoms in her, which I myself have experienced in the past.
What symptoms?
She tells me that she wants to be a model, which makes her an easy victim.
Is a victim of what?
Anorexia nervosa.
You know?
Yeah. I googled it and, when she stopped eating and was walking as twice as she used to, I became worried.
I didn't know it was going to become so serious. I just noticed she started to starve herself.
Oh, these things are pretty serious. Trust me, I know.
Why is someone not telling me anything?
Dad, we just didn't want you to get worried.
Are you kidding me?
Oh my God, that must be Tayo. Tayo! 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 Tayo, are you okay? Tayo! Tayo! Tayo!
You're ready to leave?
Yes, I am. Thank you so much. I had so much fun with you guys.
It was our pleasure.
You're doing a great job of taking care of your father and your siblings.
Thank you. I try.
Oh, you more than try. But keep an eye on Tayo though. It's not over yet.
Yeah, I understand. I will. Thank you.
You're welcome. Hug?
It was really nice having you here.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.
I am so happy I came. Thank you for having me.
It was a pleasure having you around, Dilly. About the divorce.
Don't you worry, I will be just fine. I mean, seeing Tayo suffer like I did back then makes me the more determined to go through with this divorce. I'll be just fine.
I have no doubt about that. You have always been strong,
Thank you. Really, thank you so much.
My daughters thought you and I were...
I know, especially when Bumi saw you and I together like that. It's only normal.
After I told them that you and I were past that stage.
Well, things changed, don't they?
Really?
Anyway, be sure to keep an eye on Tayo. Let her see a therapist and let them know what's going on. Help her gain her self-confidence back.
We will. Thanks.
Come here. Okay, shall we?
Yeah, we shall. Tayo, are you okay?
I'd be if everybody would just stop staring at me. Come on, guys. It's been 2 weeks. I'm fine. I'm totally fine, I promise. Okay?
I was so scared.
I know. I'm so sorry, okay? I don't know how I allowed myself to be pulled into such lifestyle.
And now you have ulcer.
Yeah, I know. A sad reminder, unfortunately. But I'm so sorry, guys. I'm sorry for everything I put you through. I'm so sorry. I even changed agents.
That's good. Because I was actually going to ban you from modeling altogether.
Oh, no, Dad. It's not that serious. It was just a silly lapse. I'm eating.
You're beautiful just the way you are.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you.
And we love you just the way you are.
Horrible Olekpa.
Nabensky.